Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone, then tap here, go to the phone settings, and here you have this line called blocking. Enter this section, and here you can add a number. Just enter a number which you want to block here, then tap block, and that number will never call you ever again. That's how you block number. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.